This simulation made me $10,000, fake dollars, monopoly money, emotional currency, if you will. But the lesson's realer than my commitment issues. I played a business simulation on Prompt Quest where you're handed $5,000 and told, "Go, build your empire." It's like Shark Tank, if the sharks had no money and severe anxiety. My plan? Easy. Day 1. I invested in crypto, dropshipping, and spiritual healing oils. Basically, I started 3 scams and called it a brand. By day 5, I had made $10,000. On paper, in fake money, inside a chatbot. But emotionally, I felt like Warren Buffett and a raccoon in a trash can, simultaneously. Then it all crashed. My digital empire was eaten alive by market trends, bad decisions, and the fact that I can't budget unless it's color-coded and crying. The simulation asked me, "You've got $2,000 left. Start a course about your failure," and I said yes. Because in capitalism, failure is just pre-monetized content. Here's the point. Simulated money makes you real stupid in a safe way. You get to mess up without ruining your credit score. You get to experiment without your aunt sending you job listings on LinkedIn. What I learned? I overinvest when I panic. I underprice because I fear rejection. And I treat money like it's either a god or a goblin. This game dragged my financial trauma into the light and said, "Dance," and I did. I pirouetted through debt simulations, tangoed with imposter syndrome, waltzed straight into emotional bankruptcy and back. So if you've ever wanted to make $10,000 of fake money in 10 days and feel personally attacked by an AI prompt, Prompt Quest is your new therapist, but cheaper and less judgmental. I'm doing the economic collapse simulation next.